Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to WHADAT Updates. Now in this update, a Trelawney baker dies from suspected carbon monoxide poisoning while helping community after Hurricane Melissa. Tragedy struck the town of Falmouth on Thursday when 40-year-old baker Gayan Dunbar, a father of 5, died from suspected carbon monoxide poisoning after using a generator to assist residents in charging their phones and electronic devices during ongoing power outages following Hurricane Melissa. According to reports, residents discovered Dunbar and a friend unresponsive inside a business establishment along Market Street around 7 a.m. It is believed that fumes from a generator running overnight inside the enclosed space led to their collapse. The friend was rushed to the hospital where he remains in serious condition. Dunbar, known throughout the community for his generosity and helpful spirit, had been using his generator to bring comfort to neighbors still without electricity in the aftermath of the hurricane. A grief-stricken Cordia Moulton, Dunbar's sister, said the family is shattered by his sudden passing. Moulton added that their mother, who was recently hospitalized for diabetes, has not yet been told of her son's death out of concern for her health. Her spouse, Dwayne, who made the heartbreaking discovery, was visibly shaken. Authorities have once again urged the public to operate generators outdoors or in well-ventilated spaces to prevent similar tragedies as recovery efforts from Hurricane Melissa continue across Jamaica. And that's it for this. Update my viewers. An unfortunate situation. Do remember to follow the safety guidelines when operating generators and all equipment at this time, and stay safe until the next one.